Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to enter the recent, and depending on what kind of navigation bar navigation mode you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gestures just like me, all you have to do is to basically swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that, and release the finger. And as you can see here, we've got previously opened apps. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it or 2 of them just by swiping it up. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on the trash bin icon. And I've missed it. So tap on it, and right now we've got the information that they has been turned off, and for some reason they are not. So as you can see, we will have to do it manually, unfortunately. Let's check it, and as you can see, we've got no recent items right now. So it means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.